Hi there. Good evening to all of you. This is Prakash and welcome back to my another new brand video, friends. So in this video, friends, I'm going to tell you some top-notch tips. If you will implement, then definitely you can speak better English like me. Okay. So anyway, friends, without further ado, let's get started. Because most of the friends of mine, they have asked me time and again that please make a video how we can get rid of all those problems whatever we have, okay, for learning, for improving our communication skills. So in this video, friends, I'm going to tell you some 5 tips. If you will implement, then definitely whatever the problem you have about spoken English, about communication skills, then I'm 100% sure that all the problem will be eradicated with the help of these tips. So first tip is like please motivate yourself that I can speak good English and I will. If you will motivate by yourself that I can improve my communication skills, then definitely no one will stop you to speak like me. And the second thing is that please speak. Okay, whatever the problem you have right now. Okay, I'm going to give you an example that when I started learning English language, at that time I was facing lots of difficulties. Even I was not able to make any simple sentence. But I did not stop and I was practicing by myself. Okay, regularly. So in this way, friends, I did improve my communication skills. I did my spoken English. So don't worry about that. Second thing is speak, because you have ample of knowledge about English, because you have been learning English language since your childhood. So definitely you have knowledge about English. So why don't you worried about that? Okay, don't worry about that. Just speak. Second tips is speak. And third tips is like listen more and more, friends. Okay, if you will listen more and more, then you can better speaks. It would have been better for me that I would have mentioned these tips in my second tips. Okay, but anyway, friends, my third tip is listen more and more. Okay, if you will listen more and more, then you can better speak. And fourth tip is like read. Whatever the books you are getting, just read. It doesn't matter that you are understanding the books or not, just read whatever the books you are getting. Okay, but according to me, that if you are new in the English language and you are in substance stage, then please pick out those kind of books which are familiar with you. I'm not telling you that if you will take out any kinds of books which are not familiar with you, then it will be not good for you. Yeah, definitely it would good for you, but it would be better for you if you will use storytelling books. Okay, it would be better for you, because these days also I am following this kind of tips in order to improve my English. And the fifth tip is just make some friends. Okay, make some friends, and it depends upon only you that, because these days we don't have environment and we don't have friends with whom we can practice our English. So it totally depends upon you that how you can improve your English. Because also I'm going to tell you something about internet, because these days we are very fortunate that we have had access about internet. So with the help of internet we can get rid all those problems whatever we have, because I am using internet through which I am able to speak like this. Okay, because earlier days I have already mentioned something like that. Earlier days I was facing lots of difficulties, even I was not making any single sentence. But these days with the help of internet, I have been watching different kinds of videos, different kinds of podcast channels. In this way I have been improving my communication skills and my spoken English. Okay, so please use internet. Internet is a weapon through which we can get rid of all those problems, not only spoken English, all those problems whatever we have been facing. Okay, so try to use internet. Okay, so my fifth tip is make a environment by yourself with the help of internet. Okay, so these are my 5 tips. If you will implement, then definitely your speaking, your problem whatever you have regarding spoken English, all the problem will be eradicated. Okay, so my dear friends, I would like to add some points over here that because now it would be better for you that if I will mention something about my journey. Okay, which kind of problem did I have on those days when I started learning English. Okay, so my all dear friends, that when I started learning English at that time, it was a hard not to crack situation. at that time, but I did not stop, and I made my mind that anyhow I would improve my communication skills and spoken English. So I was using different kinds of platforms. Also, you can use this kind of platform because these days it is easily available on Play Store. So go over there and you can install different kinds of free of cost application which are not pet application. Okay, like I'm going to tell you some application name that as fluency, hello application, lingua application. These are free of cost application. If you want, then you can check out on Play Store and you can download this kind of application. And if you will use drastically, then definitely your English will be improved. Okay, my dear friends, definitely you will demotivate, okay, in insufficient stage, but trust me, my dear friends, if you will practice each and every single day, then definitely one day will come, at that time you will speak better English. So my dear all friends, in this video, this is all about whatever I told you. Now it's up to you that if you will motivate yourself towards spoken English, then definitely you will achieve whatever goal you have about spoken English. Because nowadays I am very free and I am very comfortable to speak with any person. It doesn't matter that the person belongs to intermediate, advanced, and beginner level, because English is a language. Just I don't know why the people have fallacious thought that English is a very complicated language and we can't speak English. But the reality is not like that. All can speak good English like native speaker as well. Okay, so don't worry about that. Please motivate yourself towards spoken English. Definitely you can speak like me and you can speak like them who have good command over spoken English. And there are there are ample of problem you will face, okay, while you are practicing English. But like I said, it doesn't matter that you are speaking good English or wrong English. Just practice each and every single day. That is the one thing I would like to tell you, that because I have seen that most of the people, they are learning English, they are demotivating and they are thinking that my English is not good and other people will laugh at me. Yeah, definitely people will laugh at you. If you will not make mistake, then how you will learn this language? Yeah, definitely in the inception test, sorry, my pronunciation is a little bit not okay, but anyhow, I will not demotivate myself because I know that I will speak better English. Okay, okay. So my dear all friends, it doesn't matter that you will make mistake or not, because practice makes man perfect. You must have heard about this quote. Okay, anyway friends, this is all about it, because I do not want to make this video very lengthy. Okay, so keep learning this language. Anyone can learn. Okay, if I can speak like this, why not you can speak like this? Okay, so anyway friends, uh, okay, now just one point I would like to tell you, that when I was studying 10th class and 9th class, okay, at that time I was a dance student. Okay, even I did not have idea about what is the English. Okay, and I was writing wrong English. But now you can see that my level is up to the mark, and nowadays I am over the moon about this language. And I have made my mind that, and I am 100% sure that I will speak like native speaker, and one day I will become a public speaker. So that is my dream, that is my goal in my future. Okay friends, so thank you so much for being with me. I hope that this video will helpful for you, and in my next video I will add some new tips. Those tips definitely helpful for you. So till then, bye friends, and have fun and keep learning this language.